Joshua Genoso. Shall we po? Hi, ID number. Thank you for tap guys. So, I'm gonna take a bath na guys. Later, I'm gonna continue my live. Because first, I'm gonna take a bath. Please follow me guys so you can notify when I live again. Hi Alex. Thanks so much ID number. ID number. Hi Neats. How are you Neats? Thank you ID number. Thank you so much. ID number, do you think I'm pretty? Hi Will. Shall we Will? Hello po 124 viewers. Hi Yan 08. Hi Steve. Hi Amaniwar. Thank you Steve. For heart. Thank you. Hi Steve, how are you? Do you have a great Merry Christmas? Hi Romeo Kuna. Juni01, shall we po? Merry Christmas to both to you too. Okay, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to you, Steve. I hope Steve you have a Happy New Year. So and also your family. I wish you good health. Hi, Peer. Hi, Edgar. Hello, Jaguar. And the man who can be. You want, guys, later, I'm gonna sing for you later. But I don't have, I don't have very, very nice voice. Thanks for the wishes. You're welcome, Steve. Hi po, Arif. Ay, chef. Hello, chef. Chef BC, hi gamer. Valdez Tamon. June Valdez Tamon, Shawi po. Kumusta naman guys? Yung New Year nyo guys. Sana masaya yung New Year. Pasko pala. Wala pa nga New Year eh. Guys, I'm gonna take a bath. Hi Lala Pupo. Lala Pupo. I'm going to take a bath first. Guys, please follow me guys. I'm gonna live again later. Thank you for following guys. I'm gonna live again later guys. But first, I'm gonna take a bath. Thank you, June, for heart. Tagal mo maligo.
Bumalik.
Naligo ka na? Bakit pa? Yung buhok mo hindi man basa.
Inano, nagano ako, hindi patulog agad.
Hi, Edo C. Hi, Superman. So, I'm gonna, guys, I'm gonna take a bath. Later, I'm gonna live again. So, later, guys, let's watch my live later. But now, I'm gonna take a bath first. Dika girl is so wet na. Guys, there's so many message me here, but I didn't, I cannot read it already because ano daw? Because when I'm living, I cannot open message because my cellphone is lagging. It's lag. It's hanging. So later, I'm gonna check it. Okay? So now, I'm gonna end my live because I'm gonna take a bath na. Okay? But later, gonna, I'm gonna live again. Promise. Wala, bagyo. Ano, John? Wala, bagyo? Hi, Eagle Eye. So, bye-bye guys. I'm gonna end this live na muna. I'm gonna end this live in a while. Okay? Wait. Wait lang. Tingnan na ako, mister. Bye guys. Please follow me, guys. I'm gonna take bath first, okay?